Black Friday deals just started. Well, they actually start tomorrow, which is the actual Black Friday. You see it all the way down here. So Black Friday deals starting November 5th. But as of November 4th and before, I think in the start of October, they started great deals that I think they're for Black Friday. They are in the Black Friday section of Home Depot, and I'll show you guys the deals that I got. It up is the 2 batteries and the charger, plus you get a free tool, and you get all that for 200. So let's see right here. I think it will come up. Yeah, this one. So it's the 2-pack M18 V 18V, so 18 voltage, 5 amp batteries and charger. You get all that for the price of $199, plus you get a free tool. So the free tool that I got was this inflator, this M18 inflator, which is $199, which is basically 200. So you're basically saving 200 just by that. And I also got another one that is the price of 249. So for price of 200, I got 2 batteries, the charger, and this Gen 3 3/8 compact wrench, and I got all that for the price of 200. So you can see it right here. I'll put it together so you can see it will come up to 200. So this will come up to 110, and this will come up, let me view card, to 84, I believe. Yeah, no, 88 and 110, and that will be 199. That's all you paying, instead of paying 646, which will be the subtotal. You're saving 447, and it will be a total of 199, which you're paying. Again, I did do that for the inflator, but they have other deals. So they have this, is the same one, but just 6 amp battery. They have this one, which this one is the one that I got last year, and but after I got it, they basically just ended the deal. So I got this last year, price of 400. So the 2 drills, the impact and the driver, I mean the impact and the hammer drill, and the 2 batteries, the charger, the tool case, plus I got this light, which was 200, and I got all that for the price of $400. So by doing that, let's see how much I saved at the cart view cart. Now let's take this off, and this. Okay, so this will come up to 266, and this will come up to 132. So it will be 598 subtotal. I saved 200, and my total price will be $399. So that's the deal I got last year. But they also have a lot of hand tool deals. They got one that's like The more you buy, the more you save. So right here, this whole set, the needle nose, the wire cutter, the channel locks, the electrician pliers, and the wire strippers, which is a 5-in-1. This will all be for 64. And as you can see, they got a lot of tools. This one comes in it. That's what the one that you buy more and you save more. You buy 3, you save 5%. You buy 6, you save 10%. So shop this offer. You see, you can get a hook and pick sets, 4 pieces. You can get a pry bar. You can get a tray span, fixed a blade knife. You can get the fastback 5-in-1 folding knife with 3 blades in. I do have this one already, and I do have a review on this one already, so I will link it in this video. You have the screwdrivers, you have the hammer, you have more blades, which is this 100-piece blades. You have 39 1 precision multi-bit screwdrivers, 19-ounce farming hammer. You have 200 fiberglass open real long tape. I do have this one, but it's only the 100 foot. You have more screwdrivers. You have another screwdriver with not driving, with magnets, and not and it has a lot of it has the 5/16, it has the 1/4, the 3/8. It has multiple sizes. Right here you can see the 100 tape and the wire strippers for that price. So the more you buy, the more you save, and they do have a lot of deals. Like this whole set is like how many is 106 pieces. This whole set, the 1/4 and the 3/8, for a price of $259. It was $324.99. This is 24, and I can tell you just the screwdriver will be 24 in without this deals. So they do have really, 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 really good deals right now. And tomorrow, which is the actual Black Friday, I believe they are gonna start even better deals. And if they do, I will make another video covering that. But yeah, that's the video for today. Peace.